Hi, I'm Mike Krusniski.
And I'm Mattias Andersson from the Umeå Institute of Design in Sweden.
We're going to show you a project called the ABB Powerwall. This is based on a concept for service technicians in factories such as Volvo that allowed ABB technicians to carry pocket computers with them and get information about different machines when traveling through the factory. This solution, however, is not appropriate for collaborative work, collaborative meetings, or viewing large amounts of information such as blueprints. So in this concept, what we've done is provided a means for them to work with the pocket computer but have a place where they could have collaborative meetings, a large space to view information such as blueprints. So, in this scenario, a service technician can roam through a factory and pick up pieces of equipment and carry them with him on his pocket PC. So if I walk up to a piece of equipment that I feel needs servicing, I can drop it into what we call a bucket and virtually carry it with me over to the Powerwall screen. As I approach the screen, it recognizes that I'm there and invites me to drop a piece of equipment on there to view more information. So I can grab it from the iPack and carry it over to the screen, drop it anywhere, and then it gives me all the information I'm looking for. For example, blueprint, which I can then navigate from the Pocket PC like a remote control. Other information I can get, for example, is manual. I can flip through pages that gives me more text-based information of the equipment, or a schematic view. If I choose, I can also navigate it from the screen. This side tree also gives me the opportunity to look at subcomponents that relate to this component that I brought to the screen. So for example, if I feel I need to look at another part that I may need to order, I can choose it from this side tree here. The view then switches to this new component and gives me again all the information I need about this component. If there's a few people meeting here, they may also want to take notes. So this system also allows them to use this blueprint surface area as a whiteboard and make whatever notes they feel are necessary. If I want to take this part and these new notes that I've made back with me to the machine or to someone else, another colleague, I can then grab it from the screen, pick it, and then drop it back onto the iPack and carry it with me back into the factory.
So how did we make this prototype? We have this big back projection screen with a projector behind a glass wall. The projector is connected to a laptop running a flash application. For doing the pointing on the screen, we use a e-beam digital whiteboard system that, with the help of ultrasound, can track the position of my stylus pen. So this is basically a big touchscreen. In my hand I have a Pocket PC with a wireless LAN network card also running a flash application. So when I, for example, pick a file on my hand computer, variables are sent to a server and the application on the laptop can read these variables so it knows which file has been picked. And it works the same way for the navigation.
So, what are some of the interesting interaction techniques that are happening here? Well, we think, for one, the ability to walk through a factory and being able to recognize different equipment and then being able to carry it with you. So having the Pocket PC, with the help of RFID tags, detect certain equipment that a service technician is in front of. Next, being able to grab it and drop it into a box, so virtually picking it up and putting it into a backpack or a container to carry with you throughout the factory. Next, when I approach the screen, having the screen recognize that I'm present, and then having the ability to pick up the piece of equipment stored on my iPack and then dropping it onto the screen to get the information that I need. For improved collaboration purposes, also the ability to interact with the screen at a distance by using the pocket computer as a remote control is also very helpful. Finally, the graphic design techniques we've used in this prototype allows a maximum viewing area for the blueprint itself, using a small amount of space and layering techniques to put in other information such as the information tree and the navigation to the side.